Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 movers, cheap Stevensville, local and long-distance movers near me. Relocating someplace far away doesn't mean you have to leave your things behind. At Stevensville, we are known for our reliability and help complete all moving-related tasks responsibly. Whether you're moving to your new office or relocating to a new home in another city, state, or country, we will pack all your belongings and move them out for you. We ensure a safe and timely delivery of your things at your new space. Moving locally usually creates the illusion that your relocating process is going to be less demanding and stressful. But it's not. You have to go through the hassle of packing your things and lifting your heavy furniture. Not to mention, you do need to hire a moving truck, as it's not possible to fit all your belongings in a car and move everything at once. 3 men and a truck can make your local move in Stevensville a relatively easy task. Expect our movers to arrive bright and early at your doorstep. Pack your things, disassemble your furniture, and move everything along with reassembling your furniture at your new space. In just a few hours, our moving team will set you free to enjoy your new space. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Stevensville moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.